Once the prospective resident indicates agreement with the estimated terms, we will send you an offer on a completed contract, a proof of funds, and documents evidencing the signing authority of the individual who signed the contract. All Home Partners offers are cash with no appraisal contingency, and they close in as little as 3.5 weeks. We will negotiate up to our assessment of a fair market value. We will also require a minimum of 10 days for an inspection or due diligence period. Home Partners offers are written on the standard propagated form by the proper authority. We will pre-populate the contract with the relevant information that we have available. It will not be necessary for you to complete a contract for us. We will not negotiate the special stipulations in the contract. Finally, we have a very strong preference to work with Stewart Title. You should present all offers to the listing agent and the seller in a timely manner and communicate with us immediately any counteroffers or information regarding the transaction. Please remember that the negotiation is between us and the seller. In some situations, we may need to communicate aspects of our negotiation directly with the prospective resident. Generally, you should not share information regarding the negotiation process with the prospective resident, and under no circumstance should you provide them with copies of legal documentation such as the contract. The prospective resident is not a party to the contract and is not an intended third-party beneficiary. They are not involved in the negotiation process and do not dictate or determine the terms of the potential purchase. If we are successful and reach an agreement with the seller to purchase the home, you should return an executed contract to us in a timely manner. You should also send the acquisitions team details as to where to send the earnest money, along with any special instructions as to whether it needs to be in certified funds. If you are in one of our Texas or Carolina markets, we will send the earnest money and option fee directly to you, so you may deliver it to the title or sellers, respectively. We will inform the prospective residents that we are under contract, and they will receive an email with a lease and the right to purchase agreement shortly. Once we are under contract, you will receive a next steps email to guide you through the completion of the transaction as we move closer to closing. If we are unsuccessful and do not reach agreement with the seller to purchase the home, you should notify the prospective residents and resume searching for another home. We suggest that you make sure the prospective resident has enough time to continue their search through our program, keeping in mind that it typically takes about 5 weeks from the date we go under contract until they can move in.